Today, we're talking about how to give your appliances a facelift. Maybe you'd like to remodel your kitchen, but it's not in the budget to buy new appliances, especially if your appliances are working perfectly fine. This video will go over different options to update the look of your kitchen appliances. So this is the dishwasher that came with my house when I bought the house. The dishwasher was white, as you can see, but we wanted it to match our other appliances, which were black and stainless steel.
Woo!
So what I did to accomplish this is I painted the top control panel section a gloss black with a spray paint that is designed to adhere to plastic, because that top control panel is made out of plastic. To get the look of stainless steel on the door panel that you see below, that is actually a vinyl decal that you peel and stick onto the door.
Wow.
So this is what I bought. And again, it's 20 bucks. You can buy this on Amazon, eBay, other places. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is not a promotion for Amazon or eBay or any other company or product. And in this picture, you see on the far left side, Rust-Oleum primer. And that is what I sprayed on the plastic control panel of my dishwasher. Once that dried, then I sprayed the Rust-Oleum paint for plastic, which is a gloss black that's designed to adhere to plastic. If you don't want to do the peel and stick vinyl stainless steel decal, another option you can consider is a product like this Rust-Oleum metallic paint and primer in one. This happens to be a satin nickel, and you can see on the can it's made to adhere to metal and plastic. If you are going to use spray paint to refinish your appliances, please make sure you wear a respirator when using spray paint to protect your lungs. Make sure you have adequate ventilation in the house. Ideally, if you can take your appliance outside in the backyard or in the garage, so you don't have to worry about filling up your house with paint fumes. And as far as the dirty and clean sign on the front of the dishwasher, that's how you can keep track of whether the dishes are clean or dirty in the dishwasher. Pretty easy. You can buy these on eBay or Amazon. I bought this one for $6 or $7. It's magnetic, or you can also use the double-sided peel and stick tape that it comes with. That's another great product.
Woo!
And at my old house, all the appliances were white. We wanted them all to be black. So for the refrigerator, I completely painted the front of the refrigerator with black paint, as you can see. I pulled the refrigerator out a few inches so you can see where the black paint line stops, and you can see where the back of the refrigerator, the sides, are still white. But you never see that because the refrigerator is pushed all the way into the alcove of the cabinet. So there's no sense spending a lot of time and money and effort painting those sides, in my opinion, if you're never going to see them. But that's up to you. I painted this in place in the kitchen. The way I did that was I bought a roll of that clear plastic you can buy at your local big box store, home center, and some masking tape. And I masked off the kitchen cabinets and the kitchen floor around the refrigerator and opened the windows in the kitchen and dining room. I wore a respirator, and I went ahead and spray painted the front of the refrigerator with a few coats of spray paint that I showed you earlier. Once I was done, I kept the windows open, I turned on some fans, and fairly quickly the paint fumes dissipate. It didn't take very long. Now, another option is you can try to go online, look up the model and serial number of your appliance. For example, in the case of a dishwasher, and try to find a stainless steel front door panel and replace your white door panel. The problem I ran into was, number one, it was expensive. I was seeing prices around $100 for that door panel. Number two, my dishwasher is 15 years old. It's no longer made, so that part was no longer available. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.